Hi guys! Day 8. Day 8 na po tayo. Again, 4 scoops to 150 ml hot water. Okay. So, 20 calories lang to guys. 20 calories. Next is we will put the 150 ml of hot water. So, tanggalin mo na lang guys. Yan. And then, mix. Have a nice day everyone.